Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot follow problem on TikTok. So guys, if you are trying to follow someone on TikTok but you are unable to follow that person and you are facing some restrictions to follow people on TikTok, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all go back to your home screen and make sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, check this, and after this go back and go to App Store or Play Store and search for TikTok, and then you have to simply download and install the latest version of TikTok app on your device. So guys, if there is any update available for you, simply update it, and after this go back and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open your TikTok, tap on profile, and then tap on three lines button for settings, and again tap on settings, and from here scroll it below and then tap on help center from here, and from here tap on report a problem, and from here you have to tap on need more help, and from here in this box you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way to the TikTok team that you are unable to follow people on TikTok. So as basically you have to simply appeal this problem to the TikTok team, and if you have not violated any community guidelines on TikTok, then your account will be again working and you will again follow people properly. So guys, you have to simply make that appeal, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.